Hello everyone, welcome to Beijing Nubway beauty equipment manufacturer. And today, let us introduce the latest radio frequency RF microneedle machine. And this radio frequency microneedle is a minimally invasive skin rejuvenation and anti-aging procedure. That is, the RF energy with the needle tips can penetrate deeper into the dermal layer to stimulate the collagen rejuvenation. And the needle tips with radio frequency energy channels the energy into the dermal layer. The needle depth is adjustable from 0.3 millimeter to 3 millimeter. So it is customized and also more human intelligent. So if the products and solutions be introduced into the dermal layer, it's more efficient and effective results. Our microneedle machine is mainly used for anti-aging. The anti-aging benefits, for example, smooth and healthy skin, and also the wrinkles and the fine lines removal. Also, you can also to remove the under eye baggings and also the tighten the skin laxity. Also can shrink the enlarged pores and skin whitening. So all in all, the radio frequency energy using the needle tips to stimulate the collagen rejuvenation, so it can have the results for the anti-aging. Now let us introduce this machine. And the radio frequency microneedle machine with two handles. The one handle is non-invasive handle without needle. So it is mainly treat the epidermal skin layer to the skin surface. The radio frequency energy mainly stays on the epidermal layer to do the daily skincare. So it mainly removes the superficial fine lines and superficial wrinkles and to do the daily skincare. Like this, you can see. This is non-invasive one. Without needle tips. Non-invasive one. So after treatments, we suggest you need the hands need to be sterilized. Use alcohol to clean the hands here. The maximum we suggest can use 30 times. You need to change a new hands. But every time after treatments, you need clean, use alcohol. This is non-invasive handle. Another one is invasive handle. Invasive handle with needle tips penetrate out into the dermal layer. See, there are three sides of needle tips. This is the minimum, is 25 pins. It's minimal, small size one. Mainly used for the areas around the eyes, around nose, and the lips. To the small areas, use the small needle. The middle size is 49 pins. The 49 pins also do facial treatments. It mainly do the foreheads and the other face and the chins. So other facial areas. This is 49 pins. And the largest size is the 81 pin. The 81 pin is to the body areas. For example, when we remove the stretch mark removal and the growth lines removal, we use this one to treat the body parts. You see, three sides of needles to treat different areas. And this one is that because this is with needle tips penetrate into the dermal layer, so it must be sterilized. You can see it is sealed, free from dust, so cannot recycle used to in case the blood infection. So we suggest each treatment, each use new hands cannot recycle. And after you open this needle, you need immediately use on the skin, free from dust. See? This is invasive handle. Okay, now let us introduce the interface of the machine. The first step, we need to turn on the machine. And we enter the interface. Enter. We can see there are two handles here. The handle one is non-invasive handle without needle. So we can see this is RF intensity, means the energy, how many hits radio frequency heat penetrate into the skin. We can adjust the intensity from 1 to 10. Have 10 level, we can adjust here. And this is time of needle being out, means how many milliseconds of the radio frequency energy function on the skin. The time of radio frequency works on skin surface. We can adjust from 1000 milliseconds, means 1 second, to 3 seconds. Yeah, like this. And also here we have 5 modes. 5 modes can change, is the machine automatically suggests you 5 time of needle being out time. For example, 1 is 1400 milliseconds. You see? So it is more convenient change the time of needle being out. Change here is okay. This is the non-invasive, and standby is working. Then the machine will be working. And also there is a count, means how many counts you have already used of the non-invasive handle. And this is the handle 2. It's the invasive handle with 3 size of needle. 25, 49, 81 needles. For example, we use this. We can see the region. And this is for eye, the small area. It's for face and it's for body areas. And time needle being out or needle depth suggestion. This is a reference of the machine. Automatically, it's a reference. Normally, we use the manual mode. Then we can adjust here. And you can see also the radio frequency and intensity here from 1 to 10 adjust here. And time of needle being out also how many milliseconds of the one needle works on the skin. And this is time difference of needle being out. From 1 to 10 milliseconds because when the needle penetrates into the skin, after 10 or 1 or 2 milliseconds, the energy will penetrate out. Because if the needle come out, this is mainly to protect the energy, not damage the skin surface, let the energy directly penetrate into the dermal layer. It's a protection. Standby can work. Also have the counts here to accumulate how much counts you have ever used. And this is the interface. Okay, now let us introduce how to do the treatments on the facial parts. Before we do the treatments, we need to confirm 3 tips with the clients. The first one, we need to confirm whether the facial have the injectable cosmetic filler. If we touch the face here, the nose here, or the chins here, we find have the injectable filler, then we cannot do this. The first one. The second one, we need to ask the clients whether she is dialysis body. Means that whether it is easy or not to leave the scar or leave the hints after the treatments. If easy, they cannot do these treatments. The third one is that we need to confirm the body metabolism speed. If the speed is very slow compared with the common people, then we cannot do these treatments because the radio frequency energy need also light the cells remove out with the metabolism. So we need to confirm 3 things. If the 3 things is he can satisfy, then we can do this treatment to ensure the safety. Okay, now let us introduce to do the treatments. Before we do the treatments, we need to clean the facial area to use the without any cosmetics. And then the second step, we need to apply a layer of anesthesia cream to numb the skin because we need to do the invasive treatments. This is the anesthesia cream. we apply a layer of the whole face with the anesthesia cream to numb. And after 30 minutes later, then we can have a test. And after applying the cream, anesthesia cream, we need to apply a layer of plastic wrap. The plastic wrap is to protect the anesthesia cream, not volatile, can ensure the numb results better. You see, there is a hole used for the mouth. We apply here. Okay. And this is the second piece, the plastic wrap. It is used for eyes. Let the eyes be exposed outside. So we let the plastic wrap cover all the treatment areas and cover all the anesthesia cream and wait 30 minutes. Okay, now after 30 minutes passed, now we can clean the anesthesia cream. We only do half treatment, half face, because the anesthesia cream only effective 30 minutes. So we do this side first. Okay. We only do the half face here. And we need to remove the anesthesia cream. Okay. After we clean all the anesthesia cream, then we need to clean the face first. We need to clean the face. We use the physiological and saline solution, also salt solution. And this is cosmetic makeup cotton. We use this cotton and clean the face. Okay, like this. Then we clean the face. Okay, so we use the salt solution, double clean the half face and the forehead here. Then we can start with the treatments. Because we need to do the areas around the eyes and the nose, and so we use the smallest needle, 25 pins. Then we choose handle tool, 25 pin, manual mode, work. We enter this. We normally adjust the energy radio frequency intensity from 3 or 4. Today we choose 4 level. Then the time of needle being out, we use 300 milliseconds. 50 is okay. And time difference, needle being out, we use 3. Start from 3 is okay. Then we can start work. We can see the needle depth. The needle depth is adjustable. When you receive the handle, we can see there is a 0 point. There is a right point. The red color point here. This is the needle depth, 0.3 needle, and then we can adjust 0.5 to the right point, or adjust 1 millimeter, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. This means the needle depth. So if we do the change here, the needle depth, we suggest we can use if the change here, we suggest use 0.8 to 1 millimeter, and if the lower pass phase, we suggest use 1.5 millimeter, because the fat cells is thick here, so deeper depth. If we do the upper phase, we suggest use 0.5 to 0.8 millimeters is here, and the nose is 1.0 millimeter nearly depth, and the forehead, and here we suggest use the 0.3 to 0.5 very lower depth, and we can send the parameters later for the exact depth. Now we start. You can see this is the foot pedal. When we press here, this is the controller of the needle being out. When we press here, then the needle depth out. So we now do the nose area. So we adjust the needle depth to 0.8. Here, 0.8. Do the nose. Okay, we start treatments. And if we do the nose here and nose here, then we press here, yeah, like this. See? Not painful. Okay, so now we do the nose area is okay. Every time we do the treatments, we need to press here. Then we press the foot pedal. When we wait the needle being out, then we wait 3 milliseconds is okay. Like this. You can see a little bit reddish, it is normal. And then we touch here, we do the areas around the eyes. We can see there is the lines here, so we can do the skin rejuvenation. We touch here. We can feel, wow, there is a bones here. This area cannot do. We do the lower parts of the bones. So, 怎么做呀？这样吗？然后我坐这儿是吧？我不会坐这儿，这怎么做呀？
没调呢，先调0.5。
我拍视频呢，你得不能说话。这怎么做？你们怎么做呀？
哪里？
你们是这么扒着，这怎么做？
你要做眼袋的话，你就往下扒拉。
你给我示范一下手法，我不会。Now, after finish the nose treatments, we do the areas around the eyes. We need to press the bones here. Then here. We only can do the areas here, cannot do here. Do here to ensure the safety. So, press here. Then, we closely touch the area, and then press the foot pedal. Okay, this is the eyes. Okay, now after finish the nose and eyes area, we need to do the other face pass. So we change the needle into 49 pins. You can see the middle size of the hands. We choose this manual mode. And then we adjust the RF intensity to 5, 4 or 5. 5 is okay. Then time of needle being out. And needle difference is 3 milliseconds. We stand by. We change the needle depth because we do the lower pass of the face. So we change the middle size into 1 millimeter. See, 1 millimeter is okay. Okay. We do from the chain and the lower pass here. We need closely touch the skin like this. 可以吗？
往上扒拉着点。
哦，这样吗？
对。哦，这样会有一个提升的效果吗？
When we do the treatments, we need to press the face like this. So we have a face lifting results also like this. You can see after treatments, some areas have the blood coming out. It is normal and the result is good. And also the lower, we have already finished the lower pass of the face. Already be reddish. Now only have the upper face here, not do treatments. So we adjust the needle depth to 0.8. Okay. Finish here is okay. Press. Then closely touch. 可以吗？
可以。
深吗？你告诉我，真的告诉我。行，我就可以了。Okay, now you can see the whole face, the whole face already be reddish, and some blood coming out here. Now we do the forehead. We do the forehead here. The forehead, because it's very thin skin layer, so we use the needle depth to 0.3 or 0.5 is okay. Very lower needle depth. For example, we need 0.5 millimeter. We do here. 可以吗？需要调到深度吗？
没事。
麻药我给你敷好，有的地方没有敷全。你别人觉得我不给你做了。这儿有感觉吗？
这就行，这就行。
Okay, now we finish the half face and the forehead here. After we do this, we can see the blood coming out. And now we use the salt solution to clean the face and to deep cleaning and also the inflammation resolve. Okay. Now after treatments, we can have the blood scar here, right? So we use the salt solution to clean this area. Okay. Okay. Now, after you use the salt solution clean the area, we use the EGF, means epidermal growth factor, and to repair the skin. We mix the two solutions together. And mix the two bottles. Then like this. Okay. We have an injector here. Okay. Then we inject the EGF to here, like this. Okay, finish. Okay, now the clients maybe feel a little bit hot or swollen. It is normal. So after we apply epidermal growth factor, we need to apply a little bit cooling vinyl gel to cool the skin and also cool the sensitive area. Like this. After apply this, the treatment area will feel very, very comfortable and cooling. Okay. 10 minutes is okay. Okay, now we finish. Let it be cooling. Okay, now we finish the whole face treatment. Now we clean the gel. And the final step is to clean the treatment area. Okay. After we clean the area, we need to use the salt water solution. A salt solution to clean the whole face. The face now feel a little bit hot and swollen and reddish. This is normal. And after a few hours, the reddish will pass, will be gone. Because after treatments, the skin will feel a little bit hot and also lack of water. So we need to apply a layer of facial mask to hydrate the skin. The facial mask to hydrate water. Within the 3 days, we need hydrating. Need to use the medical facial mask to hydrating the skin. Medical. It's natural. See, this come out from the refrigerator. A little bit cool, cold, very cold, and frozen. Because the frozen can repair the skin. See, very frozen, the facial mask. Very cold. Because the cold can make the skin very comfortable. Because now it's very hot.
啊，好凉啊！
舒服不？
哦，
别说话。
哦，太凉了。
Very cold.
啊，太凉了，太凉了。
真小啊，这个。
凉的。这个面膜弹性特别好，不会晒。
嗯。
Okay, now we use the facial mask to hydrate the skin. And the cold, feel cold. Cold is very comfortable because the dermal layer have the radio frequency energy to heat the collagen. So if feel cold and to repair, it's very comfortable. And after treatments, within 3 days, you will feel the hot or lack of water in the facial areas. So use the salt solution to clean. Use the salt solution to clean the face every day. And also after you feel very hot and very a little bit reddish, then you apply the facial mask to hydrate the skin. Okay, this is the whole treatments of the radio frequency treatments. And now let's introduce the sessions. We suggest 4 sessions in total and 30 to 45 days as a session. After recovery, after 1 session, 30 or 45 days, we do the next session. 4 sessions in total is okay. And after treatments, we need protect from sunshine. Because sunshine, we can wear mask to protect the sunshine. And also we can drink more water to add the speed of body metabolism, can make the results better. And this is the whole treatment of radio frequency microneedle. Thank you for listening.